Look at that. Bro, let me know when it's our turn. I'm gonna take a nap. Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's Josiah. We're out here with Aaliyah. She's back there somewhere. And there she is. And we're just riding around. We don't really know where we're going, but we do know we're gonna go to the motorcycle shop because I want to get a bigger one of these little stretchy thingies. I know that much. Literally don't know anything else. So we'll see. Well, no, I don't want to go to the mountain. Thanks though. Well, damn. You can almost see the license plate. Bro, let me know when it's our turn. I'm gonna take a nap. Alright YouTube, we're about to go in the store, look around for a little bit. I'm gonna catch you guys in a minute. What up YouTube? We're leaving right now. They didn't have it, so I'm just gonna use it without it, no biggie. But we also looked at the full piece suits. They're pretty sick. They're not cheap though, so this Honda's pretty nice. One day I'll get a full piece. Do you know where we're going, babe? No, we're not. I'm looking it up right now. Mount Rainier. Alright YouTube, we're going to Mount Rainier. Or at least towards it. We don't have to go all the way, but definitely towards it. It's gonna be a good ride. We'll ride for a few hours. You excited? Oh, right lane closed ahead. I'm sorry. That's nice of him. He was waving at us and stuff. Go there, that looks awesome. Outdoor go-karts, so sick. Moo-moos. It'd be cool to live out here, but it would also suck to live out here. Thank you. So dead. Oh, my butt and my legs. Look at that. You can't even see the mountain. You know that water's cold. Pains I was talking about. We're stopping up here. We can get some grub. You want food? Okay, I got to stand up and move. Oh my goodness, my legs are dead. Was that fun, YouTube? We're gonna get some food and then we will get back to you when we're on the way back home. That was fun. Alright, see ya. Yo, what up YouTube? We're leaving the food place right now. We couldn't figure out anything good to eat, so we decided not to get food. We'll get food when we get back home. So yeah, it's pretty cool though. It's like a diner inside a train. It's pretty dope for what it is. And then over there's like a pizza place inside of a train. Need to stop at the next gas station we see. Come on, gas station, come show me where you're at, because I need gas. Alright, there's a light. There's gotta be a gas station up here. I'm going to that gas station to the left right there, since that place, because that's usually how far we go. Big potholes. Oh. Oh, get a hot chocolate for us to share, please. Alright, YouTube, we getting gas. That's a full tank, and it costs $21. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, hot chocolate, hot chocolate, hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. I'll be right back. What up, YouTube? We just left the gas station. Got some gas, got some hot chocolate, and some sour gummy worms. And they didn't have a bathroom, so that's unfortunate, but I think we can hold it till we get home. We got about a half hour. We'll see. It's crazy how this thing just holds your phone. And that thing, it just holds our phones. We're flying, going 726 miles per hour. Or more. Probably like double that. I know where I am now. No, if I'm ever gonna get another bike, it's either gonna be a ZX-10R or a R1M. It's one of those two bikes. My pant is coming up my leg. You see it? What? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more of this channel, hit that subscribe button and tap that bell. If you want to let me know anything, let me know in the comments. I'm going to see you guys next time, and remember, Jesus loves you. Peace.